This is a complex business because you are working only 1 month, 1.5 months per year. Normally we have our service engineer that are located close to the wine producing areas, and they are available 24 hours because they know the business. And during the season you have to be available. For example, my mobile phone is ringing all the time during the season.
Well, Alfa Laval for sure is a company that is looking above the installation. We want to complete and have a relationship with the customer and satisfy their needs throughout the complete product cycle. So, of course, we're supporting with installation supervision, and we're supporting also in fine-tuning and process optimization. But at the same time, throughout the whole life cycle of the product, we're supporting with servicing and servicing agreements, so that customers have a peace of mind and know that they are relying both to Alfa Laval and its portfolio, of course.